They'll press the button, and here we go.
See that the ball's dropping.
The ball's gonna be dropping.
Very good picture.
Yeah. Oh, come on. 2011. 3, 32, 31, 30. Oh, a couple more seconds till 2011. Yep, the ball how it's moving.
See, then when it gets down to the bottomless 2011,
8,
right?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Happy New Year! Yay! Wow! Yay! Yay!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Yeah! Happy New Year's! New Year's!
Happy New
New
Year!
Year's! New Year's! 2011! 2011!
Y'all excited?
Yes! I'm all excited! 2011!
Happy New Year, 2011. There's the ball, right?
2011.
Everybody's excited, aren't they?
Yep.
It's good getting on
Video.
video.
And I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
It's a good idea. Show your friends in Germany, Sweden, New England, Denmark, Norway, Finland, Cuba,
Everyone.
Africa,
Everyone.
Antarctica,
Everyone.
South America,
Everyone.
Brazil,
You're talking about everyone.
Alaska,
You're
Australia,
Stop it. I'm talking about everyone.
New Guinea,
Excuse me?
Donald Trump.
Would you stop it?
Happy New Year.
Happy
y'all.
New Year. Yay. Woo! Happy New Year. 2011.
Let all of us at the NBC Universal family be the first to wish all of you a very happy and healthy 2011. Sorry, I've got confetti in my teleprompter. Happy New Year, everybody. For some midnight impressions, let's go down the street. Natalie, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you, Carson. It's a crazy scene right here. As you can see, we got a family here who drove down from Toronto. You've actually done this before, though, right?
We came here last year, but this year's way better.
Why better? Why better?
Because it's 2011, baby!
It is 2011. Let's hope it's a better year on so many fronts. All right, Carson. Happy New Year.
Oh, and the party begins in New York City. Thank you, Natalie. Now, Amy Robach, you managed to actually capture the midnight moment with the masses. Happy New Year, Amy.
Happy New Year, Carson. We've handed out the Samsung Captivate phones available only at AT&T. Some of our revelers here, they capture the atmosphere, the ball drop, using the 5.0 megapixel camera with HD recording. And let's now
If they use their
midnight
iPhones.
moment. Put in your phones in. Let's press play. All right. There we see the confetti. Two different angles of the ball dropping. Everyone kissing. It's very cool to see it all happen again. Seconds later in HD, Carson.
Wow, very cool. They're making out there on the lower left.
Yeah, they
All in
are.
HD. Thank
Happy
you.
everywhere.
That looks great. All right, let's head back up to the rooftop bar at 235th with a glittering view of New York City. Nicki Minaj is standing by ready to introduce the first performance of 2011. Happy New Year, Nicki.
Happy New Year, New York!
Who's this?
Nikki, somebody.
Nikki.
For the first time in 2011.
Some hat in it.
Yeah, awesome hat.
Here comes the Rapadapper.
Sleep is the cousin. What a family picture. You know all
industrial Americana will be putting on in Charlotte. You can almost can't understand what he's saying.
Maybe it's better that we don't understand what he's saying.
Why would it be better?
I don't know. If he's saying something that's not good.
Don't say anything. I'm recording a video.
Alright.
And I'm putting this on YouTube.
Nice. Sure, your European friends will be thrilled. And chilled.
Everyone. I'm talking about everyone on YouTube.
Yeah.
Center of the hip-hop universe, high up at that insane rooftop bar at 235th. More from him. How